What's up guys, welcome to a new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we are covering the free for the month assets for April. We have amazing assets this month, so just go ahead and check them out. So first of all, we have the underwater world. And if you're trying to make an underwater environment, this is perfect for you. It comes with more than 70 assets, and honestly this really reminds me like Hungry Sharks, so I'm gonna like make a type of game like this. This will be very handy, but overall, if you're gonna make an underwater world, this is perfect for you. The quality of these assets are very high, and definitely recommend this, so go ahead and check it out. Next up we have the Isometric World Sky Temple. This is an amazing stylized environments. You can see more for like action adventure games, I believe, but if you're gonna make an isometric game, this is perfect. But of course it will also work with first person, third person games, so whatever. If you're looking for a type of environment like this, like floating islands, this is perfect for you, so go ahead and check it out. The quality is amazing, as you can see, really cool stylized environment, so check it out. Next up we have the Big Star Station looming. This is mind-blowing. This is like a photorealistic sci-fi environment. Like just imagine like a game like Alien Isolation, like your own Alien Isolation, a horror game, right? Like an AI is following you through all this type of environment, sci-fi. You know, you're gonna make a horror game, this will be very useful. And even if you're not gonna make a horror game, but like whatever space game or whatever, this is also perfect. The quality is astonishing, like I have no words, so this is free, so go ahead and check it out. Next up we have the endless random pursuit worlds with live streaming. If you're trying to make an infinite world, this is great. Like for example, you're not gonna make backrooms or infinite dungeons, this is great. Like for example Minecraft, I guess you just walk and automatically it's optimized with live streaming, so you know, make lots and then disable them as you go. So this is great, and it's updated to 5.1, so great, and literally you can make this in minutes. So go ahead and check it out too. Last but not least, we have the Mediterranean rustic interior. The quality of these assets are, again, like almost photorealistic. So if you're gonna try to make a house interior and you're looking into this kind of a Mediterranean rustic houses, well, this is perfect for you. So definitely go ahead and check it out too. And that's it guys. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so I want to go ahead and check it out. Go ahead, join my Discord server, second link in the description, and follow me on all my socials. And with all that said, bye bye.